If you want to automate your business using Zapier, obviously the first step is finding out, is the app that you're wanting to automate even available on Zapier? Because if it's not on Zapier, then we have to take some other approaches, which I've created videos about. But that first step is always going to be, does Zapier even support the app that we want to use? I'm going to show you the approach that I take as a certified Zapier expert. So this is what I do day in, day out for clients and for myself. I use Zapier. But I'm going to show you the approach I take to actually find out what can we do with a given app on Zapier and what's the quickest way to do that. What I've got open right now is the Zapier Explore page. Zapier has this whole big directory of all the apps that are supported by Zapier. So you can come here to click around and just get some inspiration of, oh, cool, that app is supported. Maybe I'll go check out that app. It could be useful for my business. And you can do it this way, but I know a lot of business owners, they already have tools available. A lot of clients I'm working with, they already know what they're using. They're using Xero, they're using QuickBooks, they're using MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, whatever. They're using various apps in their business already. They aren't necessarily thinking, what app can I use that's going to be well integrated with these automation tools? In these cases, and what I do for every client is I don't come search around here. This interface is great and it's helpful, but what I find is the quickest as a certified Zapier expert is I literally just come to Google, and if, let's say, a client is using ActiveCampaign, I also use ActiveCampaign myself, highly recommended, and I will create some more videos about it. I literally just Google Zapier ActiveCampaign, just that two-word combination of Zapier plus the app plus Zapier. And usually, if Zapier supports the app, if you scroll past the ads, this very first result is often going to be the direct link to that app in that Zapier directory we were just looking at. So for example, ActiveCampaign integrations, you're going to go into this because this is going to show you what you can actually do and what you can actually potentially accomplish with the integration if it's supported. Again, not every app is supported, and I've created other videos about how you can potentially do things from that point. But if it's supported, great, we're winning off the bat. What you want to do is you come right to the bottom. Sorry, I actually had to scroll up a little bit. I was at the bottom. And you're going to see the triggers and the actions. So triggers are the if part of the equation when it comes to automation. If this happens, so if new or updated custom object record, if new campaign bounce, if new deal task completed. And you can see all of these on the top level from Zapier, which is really cool. If new contact, if deal, whatever. So that's the if part. How can we start a Zap basically using this app? And then the actions are, we want to do something in that app. So maybe it's another app triggering the Zap, but then we want to do something in ActiveCampaign, for example. In that case, we would be able to update accounts, create campaigns, add or remove tags from contacts, all these type of things. So we can see without even having to do any connections or get into the details, we can see right off the bat, what can we actually do with these apps that I might want to be joining with ActiveCampaign? And obviously I'm a big ActiveCampaign fan, but this exists same with Make, for example. So Make used to be called Integromat, but the same thing exists here. So I normally just search Make, ActiveCampaign, and you can find the top result will normally show you that same triggers and actions. So if we scroll down, where was it? Oh, I actually went to the ActiveCampaign one. There is the Make one somewhere. Yeah, there we go. Makes one sometimes is a bit further down just because of how they name themselves. So you can see here again, they call them modules, but you have the triggers again. So it's like the if part, watch for the various things, and then it's the actions. What can you do? Searches, same thing. So again, I'm a big fan of Zapier, but you can do the exact same thing, and I would take the exact same approach if I was helping a client with Make or Integromat, if that was the tool they were already using. This was a quick video just showing you how even myself, as someone who works actively with Zapier day in, day out, how I determine when working with a new client or with a new app, is it actually supported by Zapier? I don't go into the Zapier Explore page, which is really good for inspiration, as I was saying. If you just want to play around, see what's supported, if you're thinking about a new app, a new software to use, and you want to make sure you can automate it as well. But normally all I do is I just come and search ActiveCampaign Zapier plus the app, plus app name, whatever the app name is. And then normally the top result is going to show you what you can do, what you can't do, and you can start to piece together in your mind a little bit of, okay, cool, I actually can do the one thing I want to do in the app, or cool, I can actually watch for certain actions happening that are going to help me in the business. If you enjoyed this video, obviously subscribe. I appreciate the support and lets me know that you find these videos enjoyable. If you are a business owner watching this video and you want some help automating your business and you want to use Zapier, I'm obviously the person to help you with that. So you can go reach out to me in the links in the bottom and we can just discuss how I might be able to help you. Or if you are learning Zapier for yourself to become a automation freelancer or a freelancer of some sort and you want to start making money online with these skills like I have, you can also reach out to me because I do support and mentor some students in regards to how can you learn the skills and the different ways to start getting clients to make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month as an automation freelancer, specifically using Zapier in my case. So you can also reach out to me in the comments below.